Hey guys, welcome back to Mercedes Lounge. This is a new Mercedes-AMG SL. The new edition of an icon returns to its roots with a classic soft torque and sporty character. At the same time, the luxurious Roadster as a 2x2 seater is particularly suitable for everyday use and puts its power down on the road with all-wheel drive for the first time. This AMG SL 55 4MATIC Plus has a V8 that develops an output of 350 kW or 476 horsepower and a peak torque of 700 Newton meters. Let's listen to the sound from this beautiful SL 55 AMG with a top speed of 295 km/h and 0 to 60 in 3.9 seconds.